Alright, good morning everybody, good morning. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Out here in Joseph City, Arizona. As you can see here, 4 o'clock in the morning, my day started. Heading out to California. Early in the morning. Alright. Everybody fueling up for the day. Probably getting their stuff ready. I get up, come up in here, get my coffee, and my wife wanted a croissant, a breakfast croissant, so we're gonna go in here and see if we can find that. Let's see here, and plus like the exit right there, I'm gonna probably go around. I'll get that exit over there. I want to go out there when you come in. Alright. Let's see here. Where's the coffee at? Oh, over here. I'm over here getting my coffee. Yeah. I always got to sink in here. I just pour out my old coffee here. Pour out my old coffee. Wash this out. Alright. Yeah, rise and shine. Got all the little breakfast things over here. Let's get my stuff ready. Alright. So we're going to do today, we're going to do house mile. We're going to do house mile today. House mile today. French vanilla creamer. French vanilla creamer. And where's the oh, must be down here. There we go. Alright. I gotta find the breakfast sandwich. Sugar. And a little sugar in there. Little pick me up. Got a little pick me up there. That's good, but like I said in one of my other videos, Flying J got the best coffee. But this ain't bad. This is not bad. I don't see no breakfast sandwiches. I see no croissant. Where's my Danishes at? Where's my Danishes? Oh, nope, I don't want no Danish today. I don't want no Danish today. I want, yep, chocolate donuts. Chocolate donuts. Chocolate donuts. Yeah, I don't see no croissant breakfast sandwiches. Hey, you got croissant sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches? No croissant, you don't have it. Yeah, I don't see it. Okay.
The sandwiches we have are in the
Look right here.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see if I can give her something.
Please pull forward or into designated parking. So the driver behind
egg salad on wheat.
Thanks for stopping at Love's. And have a great day.
Well, we got meat on the car, so she ain't gonna want that. Okay. It's good.
I'm ready to clock in.
It's good.
Break, please. Alright, let me get your
Right there? Okay. Nah, I'm good.
Have a good day.
All right, you too. All right, you heard her say no breakfast sandwiches. But my wife, she can make a sandwich on the truck. We got meat, and bread. I hope she got enough bread. So I think I'm gonna go out this way, go out that way. So I'm gonna do first let the dogs out, and then do my pre-trip, and then we out of here. I think I'm gonna go around. You can go out right here. I think there's enough room over there. Go around that way. You see what that truck doing? Yeah, I'm gonna go around that way. Alright, everybody. About to get it in. Thanks for watching. I'm about to let the dogs out. Head back on the road. And I'll be back with you with another one.